Hi Zesties. Well, I didn't cook today, but you know what? I cleaned my kitchen, so I will be making another cooking video soon. I wonder what I should cook. Gotta have my Waterloo. You know what? This was all $6 from McDonald's. I feel like that's a pretty good deal. So want to know what I did, Zesties? These were 10 for $1. There's like a deal on the app. This is what's it called? Double hamburger. And then I put my own cheese slices on it from home. And then I have a guava pie, the best McDonald's menu item ever created. And I'm happy that I'll be showing this off. I feel like I've showed it off before, but I'm happy to show it off again. Dang, that Waterloo is so good. Waterloo really needs to sponsor me. I love just doing those things to make it cheaper. Like this is like a 50-cent can. And I said, you know what? I don't need the I don't need the McDonald's cheese. I have my own cheese at home. Can't be the only one who does this. Has anyone ever bought the hamburger at McDonald's and put cheese on it? Mm. But yeah, I'm very happy with the price. Thanks, McDonald's. Except trying to spread the pickles out more. Except the guava pie used to be $1, and now it's like $2.30. But it is what it is. On principle, if I go to McDonald's, I'm getting my guava pie. And I went for like 3 years without knowing that they sold this in Tampa. I thought the guava pie, actually I should say it's a guava cream cheese pie. Because I think they sell a guava no cream cheese pie in Hawaii or somewhere. Anyway. In South Florida, they advertised it on their menus, like in front of the drive-thru. And in Tampa, they don't. So I don't know why I like assumed they didn't have them here. But you know, I just didn't think to like check. And then one day on the app, oh, I also got extra ketchup and pickles on this. One day on the app, I was looking through sweets and treats, and I saw guava cream cheese pie, and I was like, what? So, now I buy it no matter what. Whenever I go to Walmart, sorry, whenever I go to McDonald's, I always get it. And tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Hopefully, the food will be good. It's that time for the guava pie. The best McDonald's item. Wait, I need to stop calling it a guava pie. It's a guava cream cheese pie. The only reason I care is because, like I said, I think they have a guava no cream cheese pie in Hawaii. Excuse me. There we go. Yes. So good. And you know what? I do honestly think that the guava cream cheese pie from McDonald's is similar quality to a pastry you'd get at like Puerto Rican or Cuban bakery. Then again, whoever made this likely is either Puerto Rican or Cuban, so. But you know, I'm just saying, I'm a huge fan of this guava cream cheese pie. For me, it's the best McDonald's menu item ever to have existed. Bye, Zesties.